Welcome children to your FIT class. Today I am going to teach you a new chapter, chapter 5, Mouse and Input Device. Children, you know what is mouse. A mouse is an input device and it is also called a pointing device. By using this mouse, we can select icons, files, text and folders. Mouse helps us to do different tasks such as selecting and opening different items on the computer, drawing pictures, etc. Look at the picture. A mouse has two buttons. One is left button, another one is right button. The scroll wheel is placed in the center. That means children, one wheel is present in the center of the mouse. That wheel is called scroll wheel and it is also known as scroll button. Okay, so the mouse with the scroll button is known as scroll mouse. Mouse always walks on or moved on a pad. That pad is called mouse pad. Children, come to the next page. The first point is mouse pointer. You have noticed one arrow is present on the monitor while you are working on the computer. The arrow that moves on the monitor while moving the mouse is called the mouse pointer. By using this mouse pointer, we can point at the things on the monitor. Now the next point is functions of a mouse. The primary functions of the mouse include 1. Moving the cursor on the screen. Number 2. Clicking or double clicking. Number 3. Selecting text. Number 4. Dragging and dropping. Number 5. Scrolling a long document up and down. Children, now we are going to learn that the functions of the left mouse button. When we are pressing the left mouse button, we call it click, left click or single click. Left click is also referred as normal click. Okay, so left mouse button has some functions. 1. It moves the typing cursor. Number 2. It helps to select an item and drag items on the monitor. Children, when we click the left button twice, very quickly, it opens the files and folders on the computer. And this click is called double click. Children, next point is functions of right mouse button. When you right click on a file, a menu of options will be opened and you can choose any one of them that is related to the particular file open. The menu can be used to perform various tasks such as open, copy, paste, etc. Children, next point is functions of scroll wheel. Our mouse consists of a trackball which helps to move the cursor on the screen. This ball is called scroll wheel and this scroll wheel always lies between left and right mouse button. That means at the center of the mouse. It is used for activities such as scrolling the text and drawing images. Now children, come to the next page and the point is drag and drop. Drag and drop is used to move an item from one place to another place with the help of a mouse. So let's see, some simple steps are there. Number 1, bring the mouse pointer over an item on the screen. Number 2, press and hold the left mouse button. Number 3, drag the pointer on the screen to a place where you want to place the item. Number 4, release the button. Number 5, you will find that the item has reached to a new place. Now children, come to the next page. Point is flipping the right and left buttons of the mouse as per the requirement. That means we can switch or flip over the left and right mouse buttons. Most of the computers are set up with the mouse on the right because most of the people are right-handed person. Those who are left-handed person, they always prefer mouse to their left side. so they can change anytime. Let us learn the steps of flipping the right and left buttons of the mouse as per the requirement. Step 1. Open the control panel. Step 2. Click hardware and sound. Step 3. Click mouse. And step 4. You have to click the buttons tab from the mouse properties window, and finally you have to click the switch primary and secondary buttons checkbox. In this way you can change any time. So children, I hope you all understood the chapter and learned this chapter very well. Take care. Bye bye.